Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the trigonometry exercise number 10.2. Let us start now. First one, evaluate the following. In this, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees equal to how much? So first sin 45 equal to how much? First you write the value. Sin 45 degrees equal to how much? Sin 45 equal to 1 by root. Cos 45 equal to 1 by root. You should know about these values. Must and should you have to by heart. Learn properly the trigonometry table. How to learn I already explained in my previous video. Please watch that video. Now you have to find out sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees equal to. Sin 45 equal to, here also you can write, sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Now in this, in the denominator root 2, here also root 2. Take that root 2 is a common number. So take it as root 2 as common. This is the LCM. Root 2 is divisible in root 2 one time. So 1 into 1, 1 plus. Here also root 2 is divisible in this one time. So 1 into 1, 1. So that equal to 2 by root 2. Whenever in the denominator root term if you get, then you have to rationalize that value. That means with this root value, denominator value, you have to rationalize in both the numerator and denominator, you have to multiply. This procedure we call it as rationalization. So into root 2 by root 2. Now 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 divided by, here root 2 into root 2, that equal to root 2 whole square. Then square and root 2 will be cancelled. Again that equal to 2 root 2 by 2. Again 2 and 2 will be cancelled. The final answer equal to root 2. This is the answer. Therefore sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees equal to equal to how much we got? Root 2 is the answer. Just you write root 2. This is the answer. Now, next will be cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 60 degrees. Now, first you write down the values in this. Cos 45 equal to how much? Cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Write that value 1 by root 2. Again secant 30. If you don't know that secant 30 value directly, that secant is a reciprocal of cos. So just you have to write 1 by cos 30. Where cos 30 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2, that equal to 2 by root 3. This is the value. Sin, cos and tan, these three values you have to by heart. Reciprocal of tan is cot and reciprocal of sin is cosecant and reciprocal of cos is secant. No need to find out like this value. Directly if you know that cos 30 value, directly you can write reciprocal value, that is 2 by root 3. Like that. Cosecant 60. Cosecant 60. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. That means sin 60. What is the sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2. But cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So cosecant 60 value is 2 by root 3. Like that you can write the values. First you have to write the values. Later what you have to find out, that you have to write down. Now cosecant 45 divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 60 degrees, that equal to, now values you have to substitute in this. Cosecant 45 equal to 1 by root 2 by secant 30 equal to here 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 is also 2 by root 3. First you write like this. Next, in the numerator only one term is there, just you have to write down 1 by root 2 divided by, in the denominator two terms are there, those two terms are in the form of addition. So you have to find out the LCM. Why? Because these two in the fraction form. Now here LCM is root 3. Why? Because in both the terms the denominator is root 3. So root 3 is a common term. So you can take it as root 3 is the LCM value. Whenever same number is there, then numerators directly you can add. So 2 plus 2. Now here again 1 by root 2 by, here 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. Now again you have to simplify. Fraction divided by fraction. How can you simplify? First numerator fraction you have to write down. Next denominator fraction, it will become the multiplicative reciprocal. So this division it will become multiplication and this denominator fraction will become the reciprocal of the fraction. Now root 3 divided by 4, that equal to root 3 divided by 4 root 2. This is the final answer. Now therefore here cos 45 degrees divided by secant 60 plus cosecant 60 degrees equal to, what is the answer? Root 3 divided by 4 root 2. That is the final answer. Root 3 divided by 4 root 2. If you want, you have to copy this one. Next one is third bit. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Now first you write down all the values, or directly also you can substitute the values. So sin 30 plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Now in this problem I will directly substitute the values. Now sin 30 degrees, sin 30 equal how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus tan 45 equal how much? 1. Tan 45 equal to 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, where sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 by cot 45, where cot 45 is also 1 plus cos 60 degrees, where cos 60 equal how much? 1 by 2 minus secant 30, where secant is the reciprocal of cos, where cos 30 equal how much? Root 3 by 2, where secant 30 equal to, that is the reciprocal of cos, so root 3 by 2 it will become 2 by root 3. Just you have to substitute all the values. Next, what you have to do in the numerator and denominator, here addition and subtraction symbols are there, 3 terms are there. So what you have to do? You have to simplify these all terms in the numerator as well as in the denominator. In the numerator, so directly just you write here, or directly 1 by 1. Here also 1 by 1 you can write. Why? Because directly you cannot add or you cannot subtract the fraction terms. What you have to do? You have to find out the LCM. So LCM here is 2 and here is 3. That means 2 root 3. Any common term is not there. So what you have to do? 2 root 3 is the LCM value. Now 2 is divisible in 2 root 3. How many times? 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Root 3 times 1 into root 3, root 3. Plus. Here 1 is 2 root 3 times. So directly 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Minus. Root 3 is divisible in 2 root 3. How many times? 2 times. 2 2 ja 4. Divided by. Again in the denominator also you have to find out the LCM. Same value 2 root 3. Instead of 1 here 2 root 3 plus again 2 and 2 cancel root 3 times. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus here root 3 and root 3 cancel. The term is 2. 2 2 ja 4. Now again now you write here simplify. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. How much? Root 3 is nothing but 1 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 equal to 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus whole number that is 4 divided by 2 root 3. Again whole divided by here. Again 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. In the numerator and denominator, same terms are there. If you observe like this, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. Again whole divided by 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. Denominator directly you can cancel the terms. You will get 1. Otherwise, denominator and denominator cancel. What you are getting here? 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Here also numerator and denominator are the same terms. So directly you can cancel. You will get 1. So therefore you write the value sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees again minus secant 30 degrees. That equal how much we got? 1. This is the answer. Next fourth bit is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Now first you write the value 2 tan square. Question you write 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Now substitute the values. Where here 2 where tan 45 equal how much? 1. So tan 45 is 1 but tan square 45. So 1 whole square, not 2 square. This square is only belongs to tan 45 only. So 2 into 1 square you have to write. Plus cos square 30 degrees where cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 degrees that means root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 degrees. Again sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. So sin square 60 so root 3 by 2 whole square. First you have to substitute the values instead of sin cos and these are all the trigonometric ratios. Now 2 into 1 square, 1 square equal to 1 only. 2 into 1 or directly you write one more step. 1 square is nothing but 1 plus root 3 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square is nothing but root 3 whole square as well as 2 square. So root 3 whole square by where 2 square minus again here one more thing you can observe. If you write like this also, otherwise here only you can cancel the terms. Why? Because root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square both are same values. Here one is a positive and another one is negative. So directly you can cancel the terms or you have to simplify. Depending upon the marks you have to elaborate the steps. So you have to write down again root 3 whole square divided by 2 square. Directly don't write the step. Don't skip the steps and don't write directly the answer. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus root 3 whole square 2 and root cancel 3 by 2 square is nothing but 4. Again here also 2 and root cancel minus 3 divided by 4. Now you can cancel the terms. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Both will be cancelled. The answer is 2. Therefore 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees equal to 2. This is the answer. Now, last bit in the first sum is secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Now, secant square 60 degrees, secant 60, secant is the reciprocal of cos, where cos 60 equal how much? 1 by 2. So, secant square 60 equal to 2 square, secant 60 equal to 2. So, secant square 60 equal to 2 whole square minus tan square 60 degrees, where tan 60 equal to root 3. So, tan square 60 means root 3 whole square by sin square 30 degrees, where sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin square 30 equal to 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30, where cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Now, 2 square equal how much? 4 minus root 3 whole square means square and square root both will be cancelled. Then the remaining number is 3. 4 minus 3 by 1 by 2 whole square. That means 1 square by 2 square. So, 1 by 4. 2 square is nothing but 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square by 2 square. Root 3 whole square equal to square and root 2 will be cancelled. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, write clearly root 3 whole square by 2 square. Then square and square root will be cancelled. Then 4 minus 3 is 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 square is nothing but 4. Now, find out the LCM for the denominator. Here both denominators are same. So, LCM is also same. Then numerator values directly you can add. So, 1 by 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1, where 1 by 1 equal to 1. Therefore, secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degrees equal to how much? 1. This is the final answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to learn more problems or more concepts like these, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Once again, thank you.